Hi, I'm Lisha. Welcome to Thriving Plants. Today I'm going to show you a cheaper way that you can fill your containers so you're not going to have to spend a whole bunch of money on the soil. The first thing I do is I take plants and things like that that didn't quite make it, because I grow all of my own plants and I grow them in bulk because I sell them as well. So anything that doesn't make it, I'll throw into the bottom of a container. I also collect sticks from my yard because I have a lot of trees, leaves, things like that. Just make sure that you're not throwing anything in here that is diseased, because that's going to get into your plant. So if you do have plants you want to recycle and plant material, if there's any disease on it, I'm not sure if it's a disease, just don't put it in here. Then I also use pieces of torn up cardboard, so I'll throw that in there. You can use the cardboard toilet paper, tubes, ones from your paper towels, any of that kind of stuff. So I'll fill this up about a third of the way with this kind of stuff. That way the rest of it I'm just going to add my soil to. And when it comes to adding my soil, I'm actually only going to fill it until it's about 2 inches from the top of the container, because I'm going to need to be able to add 2 inches of mulch on top of this to conserve the water. I do have a video on my channel to show you how I make my soil. Very easy and very cheap way to do it. After I get this filled, then I'll add my soil in, which I'm not going to do right now. I'll do it later when I get done, because I have like 5 of these I gotta fill, and I'm going to fill them like this first before I add my soil in. But what's going to happen over time, everything in here is going to slowly break down, and then you're just going to have to add a little bit more soil every year to keep filling it up. And all I do is I add my soil right on top of my mulch, and then I add more mulch on top of that, and it makes a very, very healthy soil. You can see in the clip above exactly what my soil looks like about 2 years later, actually about a year later, because it breaks down really well. I don't like putting big pieces of logs, because when you put really large pieces of logs in here, it takes forever for that stuff to break down, and it's not creating a healthy soil that you need it to. So it's much better to just do it this way, and then just add in a little bit of soil every year. It really cuts down the expense, and it keeps your soil really, really healthy. Thank you for joining me today on my channel, Thriving Plants. Please hit the subscription button down below so you can catch all of my helpful videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.